Hello everyone, welcome to Weather. First up, you'd still want to watch out at seas as the Trinidad and Tobago Meteorological Service has extended the hazardous seas alert at yellow level until Tuesday 2 p.m. So look for choppy seas and battering waves due to northerly long period swells and strong winds. And seas may also become more dangerous during high tides. Now, checking to the Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico, satellite imagery shows a small but well-defined area of low pressure, which is producing winds of 25 to 30 miles per hour. However, the associated shower and thunderstorm activity with this system remains disorganized, and nearby dry air is forecast to prevent much additional development as the system begins to drift slowly westward over the next few days. And in the central subtropical Atlantic, an area of low pressure is developing southeast of Bermuda, which is forecast to move southeastward over warmer sea surface temperatures during the next few days. And environmental conditions appear conducive for the system to gradually acquire tropical characteristics. And a subtropical or tropical storm could form later on this week as the system continues moving eastward. Now, closer to home, today's max was 31.5 degrees Celsius at Piarco. Right now it is 27, and over at Crown Point it was 31.8 degrees Celsius today, currently at 28 this evening. So heading into tonight for Tobago, you can watch for a fair and hazy night ahead despite the isolated shower, with temperatures dropping to 26 degrees Celsius tonight over in Tobago. Here in Trinidad, you can expect a low of 24 degrees Celsius with hazy conditions around as well, though with an isolated shower. So heading into tomorrow in Tobago, these conditions are going to carry on with a high at 32 degrees Celsius for both Crown Point and at Piarco tomorrow. Now, with these hazy skies ahead, persons sensitive to the dust haze, please take those necessary precautions. So your midweek Wednesday is looking generally sunny and slightly hazy, despite there is a low 30% chance of the heavier shower or isolated thunderstorm during your afternoon. But Thursday, keeping with these sunny and hazy skies despite brief showery spells, however, there is the low to medium 30 to 40% chance of isolated thunderstorm activity. So if you're heading out, take your umbrellas with you. So the hazardous seas alert at yellow level ends Tuesday at 2 p.m. So those out at sea, take caution with waves up to 2 meters and below 1 meter in sheltered bays. These swells can affect the northern and northeastern exposed coastal areas in the form of occasional battering waves, especially during high tides at 11:10 a.m. and 11:12 p.m., low tides 4:30 a.m. and 5:02 p.m. So for your recap, some hazy conditions ahead, so you'd want to take care if you're sensitive to that dust haze, and caution for those out at sea. Back to you, Ayana.